Again you are bringing.
Outrageous. You are ashamed to the legal profession, Mr. Rosa.
Again you want to distract. Again you want to.
You're saying the law can be broken because the father asks for his daughter to be surveyed.
No. Are we discussing the Snoopgate issue?
And we're talking about an adult person here.
Protection.
We are discussing the law of the land.
While giving protection to a lady,
we are discussing the law of the land.
There is a breach of law. Breach of law is one aspect, and providing security,
Stop calling it protection.
At her wish.
It is not security. It is surveillance. And you have a right.
To unnecessary controversy, absolutely useless.
You explain what was the public emergency, what was the public, it has to be a public emergency. It has to be a bomb threat. It has to be a national security issue. For this kind of surveillance to be done by a government, Mr. Oza, you just can't
Hartosh, 1 minute. No, Hartosh, can I just, I have 2 minutes to a break and I'm coming back. Hartosh, my question is, Hartosh, just a minute. Is this going to work for the Congress party? You see, they have picked up the issue politically rather late. And Priyanka Gandhi has not spoken on this for a long time. She raises it now at the fag end of an election. Is this going to work? And what is the intention?
Arnab, I don't think the Congress is going to gain. But these are two different issues. One is, what is the Congress trying to do? That beats me. I don't think the Congress had a clear strategy through these elections. The second is whether this issue needs to be discussed. And the answer is clearly yes. The man who's being accused could be the Prime Minister, be controlling the Home Department of this country. And he doesn't believe in any procedures. These are three men. We haven't yet heard the woman's word for it. We are also hearing that through the father, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi and the girl's father decide that this girl has to be spied on 24 hours, around the clock, through the most intrusive means.
But why has the Congress, why did the Congress not investigate it? Why did the Congress not investigate it?
Absolutely.
Why did the central government do nothing? Why did Shinde sleep on it for so long?
Politically, the Congress is in no position to raise that point. And the Congress, but it is healthy that it is there in public for others to raise questions about it. So that's the distinction I'm making.
So here's a question I'll ask Ragini before I go into a break.
Media should not be a tame cat.
No, you see,
little kitten in this issue. The media should be raising it.
Kavita.
On their own. They should not wait for Priyanka Gandhi. Media should raise it. Media should ask. Arnab, let me inform you, let me suggest to you, you should make it an issue on a separate debate, not Congress, not in the context of Priyanka Gandhi at all, but there is a Supreme Court verdict of 1997, a landmark verdict that protects us all as citizens, that says that surveillance can be allowed by a government, central or state government, only if a designated officer specifically designated for the purpose
Kavita, this question
after having
Kavita.
By the way, when I'm speaking here, there are Modi supporters here shouting slogans and not letting me be heard here. Let me inform you, I'm in the Banaras Hindu University campus. I'm in the Banaras Hindu University campus, and there are supporters of the Prime Ministerial would-be hopeful of the BJP who are shouting themselves hoarse next to me and standing in threatening posture next to me. Let me tell you, Arnab Goswami, you are there in your studio. I'm here in the Banaras Hindu University campus. At a threatening distance, there are Modi supporters within arm's reach, shouting slogans when I'm speaking. Let me inform you of that.
This is again another lie, you know. Arnab,
it is there. If your camera were to turn around, you would see them.
They are playing Kho-Kho with all fired bullets. They have no fresh ammunition, so they are playing Kho-Kho with the BJP with all the fired bullets. Come to the real issue.
Arnab, can I come in? You know, I've been very patiently waiting for my turn.
Is on a sure back foot. They have no issues. They can clearly see that defeat in front of them. Merely 3 weeks
what
away
issues
from
do you want me to talk about, Madam Asifa Khan?
And
do you want me to say that Gujarat, the development model which you brag about, is in a debt of 1,77,000 crore rupees? Do you want me to tell you that the maximum number of RTIs are pending in the state of Gujarat? Do you want me to tell you that Gujarat ranks 12th in the Human Development Index? Do you want me to tell you that it is even ranked below Odisha as far as the poverty index is concerned?
Mr. Modi.
What do you want me to tell you? What are the issues for you?
You can endlessly
I mean, this
go
rhetoric
on
and
with
repartee
you
cannot win
have
you
a
votes.
vision
Why
for
don't
the
you
country.
understand?
You do not
And you have
hope for the
accepted
country.
on Newshour
You do not-
tonight
you
that
do
women's
not have
safety,
ideas and
women's
vision
physical
for the growth of
security,
this country.
their freedom,
You
their
should
privacy
be
is a
answering
non-issue
about
for you
all
and the
corruption
BJP.
cases.
No,
And
no,
you should be
You
ashamed
should
of
be
saying that.
asking, if you are so interested,
If you're the
come
Ragini,
and answer about what happened to the women who were raped in Muzaffarnagar camp.
Arnab,
Do you have the guts to
I
answer
have to
that?
say something.
If you are
Please
so
allow me some
interested
time.
in Snoopgate, come first on Muzaffarnagar riot case, where the women, the poor women in the camps were being raped. Why were
Who
you silent
incited
then?
Muzaffarnagar
You have
riot?
an answer to that.
Who was behind
The
that
poor
kind of
women,
communal
poor young
Shastika
girls
Khan that we are
raped in
against harmony?
Assam.
Who
You
was
have an
behind
answer to
those
that.
cases in
Why
court?
were
The
you
women's
quiet
movement
on
is
why
what?
why
I
was
think we are
Mrs. Robert
discussing
Wada?
Muzaffarnagar
Why
is
was
very
Mrs.
different.
Why
issue.
were you quiet when
And you are
Don't try to Don't try to mislead people.
Argue with the women
You
of
are
the
only
country.
confusing
Argue with
issues because you
citizens
don't
of the
have a
country.
clear
first of all, accept on Newshour. One second,
Arnab, I
accept
would
on
like to
Newshour
say-
that this is 1 minute. Please now, please let me come in. And let's accept on Newshour that tonight, let there be the end of this don't get personal argument. The most ridiculous argument in the 2014 election, Hartosh, is don't get personal. I mean, everybody is talking everything openly. The last recourse to any argument can't be don't get personal. By the way, Ragini, 1 minute. Ragini, don't make this about women's empowerment. About women's empowerment, that Sushil Kumar Shinde did nothing on this for 4 months. This is not, this is...
Arnab,
Can I come in?
you should also look into the matter
And when-
that some of the retired judges
Arnab,
might also
can
be
I come in?
reluctant
First of all, do you-
because of these fascist.
First of all,
Because it is
no, 1
fascist,
second, Hartosh, and then I will
distraction
go into a
of the
break.
body.
No, first of all, by the way, Kavita, by the way,
You cannot
Kavita,
just
Answers to
pass
my
unilateral judgments like this. I will not allow you to do that.
Answers to my question.
Kavita, 1 second, Ragini,
What
that's
do
nice,
you mean
that's a
by
nice
these
expression of
Congresses?
anger. Can I ask
What do you
you?
mean by
when-
what do you mean by these Congresses? Please tell me.
No, I'll tell you. Please remember this. Priyanka Gandhi, what does she say? She's made
Arnab,
certain comments. You tell me one thing.
It is not about gaining or losing something in terms of. It is not about making gains or losing something on political grounds. There are certain issues which are important
Is this-
as far as public interest.
No,
is
I'm
concerned.
asking you
And
today.
this is one of them.
Can I
And you cannot
take a
sit
break?
in- No, I will not
1 second.
let
I'm
that
taking a
happen.
break and I'm asking one question when I come out on the other side. Hartosh, I'm sorry, I have to take a break. I'll only be able to come to you on the other side of the break. My question tonight is simple. Elections of 2014, what does it come down to? Has the election of 2014 come down to Robert Vadra versus Snoopgate? Is this the election people were expecting to vote for? Kavita Krishnan, I'll come to you on the other side of the break. I'm coming to you, Kavita Krishnan, but after a few minutes.